Put it in. No.
Are you? What in the fuck are you doing?
Weird. Oh, I'm on. Halo semuanya. Welcome to Daniel Liverpool channel. I've seen videos recently about Gordon Ramsay visiting Indonesia in Bukit Tinggi. I was there as well. I didn't have opportunity though to cook Indonesian food.
You look at
I don't know. I didn't have the opportunity to cook the Indonesian food when I was in Indonesia, sadly. Hopefully next time, guys, and hopefully you can show me some stuff. Today I want to do one of the recipes that Ramsay actually brought from Indonesia, which is Rendang omelette. I've got some stuff already prepared in front of me. We're gonna go through the ingredients in a minute. And I've got the recipe from official Ramsay's website. So hopefully that will go according to plan. I will do the rendang paste from scratch today, so I'm not gonna use anything from the tins or jars or anything else like that. So hopefully the results will be okay. So what I've got prepared for now is the onions, beef for rendang, I already marinated it before, and fresh vegetables. So I've got chilies, I've got ginger, I've got garlic, herbs and spices. And this is a special stuff because I know that you guys use candle nuts in Indonesia. It was hard to get them, but I got it. And I will use the mortar and pestle to combine some of the ingredients. We got the milk, coconut milk, and the rainbow pepper. So let's start, because after that I'm gonna go for a trip. I'm gonna use a little bit of a help. So that's the recipe from Gordon Ramsay for the rendang. So first thing, we need to put all the ingredients together for the rendang paste. Bobby, Jesus Christ! Oh, scaring me, eh?
Very content, guys.
You wanna give me a heart attack?
Halo, baunya. Buset, kayak mau jalan iklan aja, Mas.
Oh god, that is really strong. Oh. Oh. Really strong. Oh. Can't breathe. Oh. Okay. Let's put that in the pot. So our thing is cooking. Golden recipe for my liking have just one very big flaw. Few Indonesian friends told me that if you don't put the kerisik into the rendang, it's not a rendang. So I've made the kerisik. And I'm gonna put it in... Oh, no.
Are you? What in the fuck are you doing?
Yeah, that's much closer to home. Although I'm not an expert, so I might be wrong, right? Paste is cooking slowly. Still about 40 minutes left. Time for me to sear the meat. It's already marinated and seasoned, so let's go on. Cooking rendang takes so long. Decided to chill for a moment.
Move your fat fucking ass!
Yes, chef. I'm going. Beef is cooked. Our paste is cooked. I'm gonna add it to the beef now. And continue cooking again until the rendang is ready. Alright guys, so our omelettes are done. Let's check this out. Okay, you ready?
Siap. Guys,
Dig in then.
disuruh
Let's see what Gordon has made out of rendang.
ini versi Gordon Ramsay, versi Daniel Ramsay.
Daniel Ramsay.
Berdasarkan Gordon Ramsay
Okay.
resep. Rendangnya.
What was that? Is it nice or not?
So nice.
The face you pulled was just...
Saya nggak ada otak, apa namanya itu, benak atau apa namanya, nggak bisa ngerekam otak saya kalau bikin ini. Nggak dibikin-bikin, memang
It is nice.
enggak. So nice. The egg is really soft. I don't know you doing it. Jadi apa lagi nih dalamnya? You put more egg inside?
No,
Enggak.
you just wrapped.
Oh, jadi dibungkus sama dadar telur. Di dalamnya itu ada ini, ada rendang daging. Tapi saya harusnya makan. I need to eat with rice, dengan nasi. Masa segini nggak pakai nasi?
Yeah, it's missing the rice in it.
kalau di sini, I think here you can sell this for £9.
Oh, in the Ramsay restaurant probably that will go for 30 or something.
Oh ya, jadi kalau di Ramsay, restoran Ramsay satu ini, dia kan terkenal kan di sini. Ini paling-paling sekitar 600.000 ini, satu ini.
A restaurant, that dish, served with the rice and maybe some veggie on the side,
Gak vegetable.
would cost at least 20 quid. Would you recommend it to Indonesian people?
100% ya. 100%.
You think it would sell in Indonesia?
100% ya, but maybe not that expensive though.
No, Indonesian ingredients are cheaper, isn't it?
Yeah. I think yeah. People
How do you think the flavor of the rendang is? Better than the last time I made it?
Rendang like really fresh, this one.
Because I've made everything from scratch.
Yeah.
I didn't use anything from the tins. I made everything from the very scratch.
Well done. Ya ini memang fresh. Jadi pokoknya enak lah. Ya.
I even made the curry stick for it.
Nice rendang ya. Yeah, that is the main for rendang.
Although the Gordon's recipe was without the curry stick.
Maybe not tell you that.
No, on the recipe there is no curry stick.
Okay.
Bit weird. I would assume that Ramsay would put the curry stick inside because, like you said and few other of my friends said, rendang without the curry stick is not rendang.
That's true.
Because I think that's what made the special taste to it.
I think he didn't publish that. I think that he kept a secret.
You reckon? Just for his own restaurant, so he knows. So his is unique,
Yeah.
probably.
Curry stick made unique.
Really good.
Nice, spicy.
So you think I can start selling the food in Indonesia now?
You can sell it here as well. This very like, how to say, universal food. Everyone can eat this. You know.
Time to open our own restaurant then.
Good.
Need to eat before Satya will come back because he will finish it without me. I left you half.
Please.
It's fine.
Ya, it's the best. Maksudnya rendang terbaik yang pernah dia masak.
Oh, really?
Well done.
Oh, thank you.
Really good. Fresh. Yeah. I will give you 9.5.
Wow. 9.5 and
Well
no traps in this food, eh?
No. Really nice, guys.
I know that you like the spicy food, but I'm sure that my meatballs were way too spicy last time, did it?
Yang bakso kemarin cabenya terlalu pedas. Tapi enak. Cuman dia aja yang ngerjain gue. Ya.
Okay.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
I'm well done and cook Indonesian food all the time.
I do. Right, guys. See you soon. Thanks.
See you guys.